Exhibition games are always a great chance to show off your team's abilities.
This game will showcase the skills of the Colorado Avalanche and the San Jose Sharks. In over the line. Pavelski finds the loose puck, and out they come with a puck. Right in front with a wrist shot. Duchesne jumps on the loose puck. Bolsheman shoots it quickly. San Jose with it now. Ahead to the neutral zone. Across. Icing called against San Jose. McKinnon with the puck. Pericle. Colorado gets a hold of it. McKinnon. Skilly now has it. He takes control. Barry, wrist shot. Betker gets it. Ward. McKinnon grabbed it. Couture, quick shot. Ward takes it. McKinnon shoves Nieto.
Tried to slip away, but no good.
Dillon. Mitchell. Soderberg takes control of the puck.
Line one! Line one!
The Sharks dump it. Donskoy has it now. Fires it hard. Leg save.
Denies him with the pad.
Duchesne jumps on the loose puck. Donskoy. Vlasic corrals it.
Line two!
Duchesne. Shoved.
An aggressive play that time.
Moved up. Pericle. Bolsheman gets the loose puck. Duchesne. Iginla dumps it in. Martin takes control. Pericle. Couture now with it. With a wrist shot. Varlamov stabs at it. Landeskog takes control of the puck. Out over the blue line. Carlson with the puck. Spoling. Berry pushes him. Whips a shot. Varlamov denied him. Moved ahead. Carlson. Varlamov stabs at it. Quick pass up. Brings it in. McKinnon finds the loose puck. Blocked. Fires hard from the wing. Reimer made the save. McLeod scoops up the loose puck. Negrenko. Straight arms. Polak takes control of the puck. Carlson. Spoling corrals it. In over the line. Shoots. He scores.
He let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. San Jose has let loose early.
When you can get your offense off to a quick start, the rest of the game can seem very easy.
Moved up. Vlasic grabs the puck.
For 57,
Over the line. Joe Thornton gets hold of the puck. Marlowe. San Jose takes possession. They dump it. Thornton scooped it up. Marlowe holds him up. Advances the puck. Brings it out. Played up. Iginla. Brown gets in the way. Landeskog with a blistering shot. He takes it back. Moved up. Pericle dumps the puck in. Johnson has it. Landeskog. Colorado scoops it up. Duchesne gets checked. San Jose dumps the puck in. Colorado finds it. Bolsheman. The first is now over. The Sharks are showing a strong passing game.
They're very confident with the puck, and they turned that into a one-goal lead.
The score is close as we start the second period.
Let's see if things can open up a bit.
Berry. Bedker takes possession of the puck. The Sharks dump it in. Colorado grabbed it. Carlson. Burns has it now. Vlasic takes over. Into the attacking zone. Pavelski. One-timer. Varlamov gets a pad on it. Sephiroth jumps on the loose puck. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. San Jose now with it. Varlamov made the pad save. Sephiroth grabs the puck. Joe Pavelski. Jerome McGinley. In front. Fires. Saved by Reimer. Landeskog knocks the puck loose. Backhand shot from the left. Holden scooped it up. Brings it in. Zubras fires. Soderberg. He gets pushed.
He wasn't letting him pass.
Fired it. Mitchell takes control of the puck. Soderberg has it. Reimer made the leg save. Advances the puck. Zubras cannonading drive. Ward with the puck. Dillon. Colorado gets a hold of it. Martin pushes Como. Martin finds the loose puck.
Line one.
Nieto. Over the blue line. Nieto gets shoved.
That did it.
Up through center. Breakaway. Landeskog shoots it. McGinley grabs the puck. San Jose gets it. Pavelski. Colorado in control now. Landeskog. Along the boards. Shoved. Right in front. Reimer gets a pad on it.
He had to use his entire body that time, but he got the save.
Vingles scoops up the loose puck. Look out now. The gloves are down and away we go.
Jim, they're really trying to establish a presence. Exactly what he was hoping for when he threw down his gloves.
Couture wins the draw. Passed across. This shot blocked. Mitchell with the puck. With a wrist shot. Mitchell picks it up. He gets shoved. Couture steals the pass. Quick pass up. Holden jumps on the loose puck. Bedker. Into the attacking zone. Shoots! Reimer, great save!
The goalie sent that one back.
Sephiroth takes control of the puck. Skilly, he jumps on it, brings it up, moved up. Polak grabs the puck. Johnson gets pushed.
He bumps him off the play.
Out over the blue line. Passed ahead. Pavelski gets checked. Thornton scoops up the loose puck. Blocked. Burns gets hold of the puck. Pavelski gets shoved. Played up. Icing is called against Colorado. Burns takes control of the puck. Burns shoved.
That's what you call physical play.
Grigorenko knocks him off the puck.
Thanks to your generous donations, underprivileged children have been given the opportunity to see their heroes live from a...
It's time for the third period.
With a score like this, you can expect both teams to try to crank it up.
Across. Soderberg. Como knocks the puck loose. Colorado grabbed it. Mitchell. Holden. Como gobbles it up. And they get called for icing. McKinnon won the faceoff. Reimer freezes the puck. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. McKinnon wins the draw. Reimer denied him. Quick pass up. Carlson with the puck over the line. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Brown, he takes possession of the puck. Martin.
1-1. 1-1.
Joe Thornton. Martin. Passed ahead. Duchesne shoves Thornton. Duchesne jumps on the loose puck. Landeskog pushes Joe Pavelski. San Jose dumps the puck in. Colorado got it. Jerome McGinley. Right in front. San Jose puts its third line out. Bolsheman takes control of the puck. Duchesne takes it. Ahead to the neutral zone. He scoops up the loose puck. McGinley dumped it in. Dillon has it now. Jerome McGinley gets checked. Dillon grabs the puck. Zubras gets it. He scooped it up. Offside, San Jose. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. McKinnon takes control. Cleared away. San Jose touches up for icing. The players are lined up and ready for the face-off. Thornton won the face-off. Marlowe cranks one. Varlamov freezes the puck. The action's about to start. Como scooped up by San Jose. Burns has his pocket pick. Played back. Quick pass up. Mitchell shoots the puck. Picked up by San Jose. Into the attacking zone. Carlson with shot.
5-2.
Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. We're ready for the face-off. Couture wins the draw. Gets the shot off. Betker stops the shot. Ward jumps on the loose puck. Pericle. McKinnon finds it. He's in the clear. In front with a wrist shot. Reimer closed the door. Reimer has faced a ton of shots in this game.
He's a big reason this team is playing as well as they are.
Grigorenko shoots the puck. Colorado jumps on it. Patrick Marlowe. Couture dumps it. Barry, I think we're going to get some punches thrown.
Yeah, you're right, Jim.
That was an even fight, no doubt.
Well, they both had their moments, but it ends up in a draw.
The ref is ready to drop the puck. Passed across. Fires it. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. Thornton won the faceoff. Johnson with the puck. Landeskog grabs it. He's off. Shoots it hard. Reimer stoned him. Burns takes control of the puck. Up along the boards. Moved up. Shoots. Scores.
That shot proves a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. This game's all but wrapped up, I'd say.
Down by 2 at this stage of the game? I think you're right.
Como dumps the puck in. Nieto now with it. Over the blue line. Pushed off the puck. San Jose gets a hold of it.
Line 4.
Line 2. Zubras. He dumps it. Corralled by Colorado. Bedker. Marlowe. Over the line. Sedorov scoops up the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. With a slap shot. Blocked. Pass to head. Marion shoves. Stoling. Polak takes possession of the puck. Skilly picks it off. Sedorov. Colorado scoops it up. Sedorov. Wrist shot. McKinnon. Carlson grabbed it. Marlowe gets pushed. He gets hold of the puck. Bedker. Shoots hard. Big glove.
And he added a little flair to that great glove save.
Marlowe finds the loose puck. McKinnon. Backhand shot. San Jose got it. It's all over now. San Jose has won it.
They were able to set the table all game long. That gained them the victory.
Great job of passing the puck tonight. It made the difference.
Tonight's third star for San Jose, number 8, Joe Pavelski. Tonight's second star, San Jose, number 16, Nick Spolin.
From San Jose, California, we'd like to thank you for watching. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Bye for now.